Alam ko, ikaw, you're the best. First time. Sobrang mabait. I love coffee. I love mahal ko sila.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday kayo ba? Sa taking care of me. Sa support me. Birthday. Have a really have a impression from ikaw. Maraming salamat po. Ribs ko rin, di ba? Happy birthday. Ribs ko rin.
Hello pa rin pa ako, happy birthday sa'yo. Kahit lagi-lagi tayo nagkakabiruan, kahit alam ko hindi mo ako na-seryoso, pero pre, I love you pare. You're the best. I love you pre. Ingat ka palagi. More blessing to come.
Okay na.
To go.
Oh, Sir Paco, happy birthday galing sa mga taga Task Force Jinsan.
Wow! Yahoo!
One, two, three.
Happy birthday, Paco. You know that I love you and I love everything about you, so don't change. And I know you have lots of blessings. You have lots of blessings coming for you, and please don't change and keep saying whatever you want. And yes, I love how you're so frank. Okay, Paco, love you. Happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday. Happy birthday. Wish you sana good career at saka go lang ng go. Alam ko kaya mo yan. At saka love kita. Bye-bye. Happy birthday!
Hey bro, happy birthday man. You know, I love you. Hey bro, happy birthday. Maraming sana masaya sa birthday mo ngayon. Have a good one bro. And many more to come.
Oh, at saka may sasabihin ako, di ba teacher ka natin?
And then bigla.
Hello, Paco, happy birthday.
Happy birthday bro.